Today we are looking at the Bloomingdale's Burberry collaboration bear. Now these released in December as kind of like a sneaky soft launch, and it was really hard to get my hands on one of them. They retail for $35, but they went super fast. Now there's also a bigger bear version, which is just the brown bear, but he has a Burberry check, like this Nova check scarf all the way around him. It actually looks like you can take the scarf off and use it for a small child. So I wonder if that's why it was even more popular. That one retailed for $120. And it was a little bit more bigger, like a little bigger and a little bit more squishy softy. This one is kind of firm. So I just want to give you a tour because I do know that they are really hard to find now. So if you are finding them on resale, at least you'll be able to see one up and close and like make the determination if it's a good investment for you. Now, I did pick this up for a little one, and I think he's going to love it as his first little bear. So he has a cute little Burberry sweater. It's not like branded in any way. It is, it's a fast pass. Like, again, it was only $35. So you have like a cute little seam here. I don't know that you can take this off and have somebody wear it. Like, you might be able to. Yeah, you can get his hand out. So you might even be able to let your little one wear this. It doesn't have a brand tag, which that's something that I looked for. I don't know if anyone else will. It does have a Happy Together Bloomingdale's and Burberry collaboration tag on here. And just some information about the bear itself. They do note that Bloomingdale's will donate $5 to the Child Mind Institute for every bear that is purchased. So I think that's really sweet. And then this is produced by Gund. So Bloomingdale's does release a collaboration bear, or like a themed bear with Gund every year. They are about $35. And this was just a Bloomingdale Burberry collaboration year. Now it is super soft, super cuddly. I'm trying to put my hand all over him so you can feel through the camera how just luxurious he feels. I do think he's really cuddly. He's dense. The bigger one, at least the bigger one that I picked up, was not as dense. Now on the foot here at the bottom, you have 2025 in the Bloomingdale's heart with the Bloomingdale's logo. And I thought this was so cute because the little one I'm shopping for was born in 2025. So he's going to have his little Burberry bear with a sweater and his birth year. And I just think that is so special. Now on the bottom here, you have Little Brown Bear, which is Bloomingdale's brands. They have the little brown bag, they have the medium brown bag, they have the big brown bag, which is the packaging that I got to put him in. So they had these in two different sizes. They had a little brown bag and they had a big brown bag, and I was able to pick up the big one. These were even harder to track down. It says Bloomingdale's on the side. It has the big Burberry Nova check in the background. And then ironically, they sent me this with a little dust bag. So I didn't know that these exist, but they do. So how I'm planning to package him up is just sitting him right inside the dust bag, letting him be, the first little thing that you see when you open up the package. His little nose will pop out. I'm gonna put him all together, tie this up, and then place him right in my big brown bag. So there you have it. That is the Bloomingdale's Burberry Bear. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.